Zoom zoo, let's get started. Today we'll make a paper rocket that can really fly.
Hi, friends. I'm RoboFix, your building buddy. Let's start with a bright piece of paper.
Add some tape and scissors, too.
Markers and a straw. Check. Everything's ready to go. Oops, not for my head.
Roll the paper and tape it tight.
Whoa! It's moving already! One strong rocket body. Roll your paper and tape it tight.
Cut a little cone for the top. Let's make 2 wings. One here and one there. Too many wings, silly rocket. Add the straw at the bottom.
Three, two, one, go! That's a funny launch.
Let's test it outside.
Three, two, one.
Look at it fly! Be careful with scissors.
Keep your desk safe and clean.
Ha! It came back to me.
Clean table, happy builder.
You did it, builders!
You did it! Yay! Your rocket looks amazing!
Up, up, and away!
Join me for more builds.
Tap subscribe and like so we can build more fun stuff together. Learn, build, create!